Yeah. Was there anything else you think we should work on after our philosophy session?
Well, with flexibility is probably the most important thing you can do at this stage.
Yeah.
It's pretty bad. It's pretty bad. No, I'm not going to blame you entirely because you are a product of the. In 1995, the training world suddenly decided, not the training world, the manufacturers, but that's another story if you're into conspiracies, decided that you shouldn't stretch because it was bad. So what it means, if you were stretching, you weren't using their equipment, so you couldn't do it. Because they don't want you to be using something that doesn't involve equipment. They want you to be using something involving equipment so you can buy their shit. So you can't stretch anymore. All of a sudden, you couldn't stretch anymore, and you're all product of that. Not a single one of you came into the training environment before 1995. I'm pretty sure about that. You didn't start training before 1995, so you've got no idea what the world was like before the embargo on stretching. So that's my big number one to you. Like, I watched you out there. That's in very short careers. Very short careers, very short life. I was in a physiotherapy class on the weekend, and I picked this brochure up and it was a teenager ACL training group sessions. Like, what the hell have we come to? Like, before 2000, I never met anybody under the age of 20 with an ACL reconstruction. They now got group sessions for teenagers with ACLs. This is a byproduct of you not stretching, but they don't get fucked because they just want to sell you strength training equipment. You all do strength training at your wazoo because you can buy their equipment. Anyway, enough of my conspiracies.